Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Flexus Core 100 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working for any reason. Maybe it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or pairing to your phone or your TV or other device, or anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete everything off of it so that you can go ahead and pair it to a new device, just like you're setting it up new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. First things you might want to do is just go ahead on your whatever you've had it connected to before and have it forget this device. Then we're going to come in and we're just going to find the power button and the source button just below it, and you'll press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. And after the 10 seconds is up, you'll see on the little display, it will go back to the volume display, showing that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set this up as a brand new soundbar.